Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is what the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like. A new leak about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra shows the phone design, giving us another look at the device. According to the latest available data, high-quality design render photos of the smartphone in a case have been published, which confirms a large main camera block protrusion and other smartphone characteristics. Let's dive into the detailed video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A few days ago, a leak about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra revealed the phone's design. Well, today we have a photo showing one of the cases for the phone, and it gives us a closer look at the flagship. A very reliable tech insider Ice Universe has published large and high-quality images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone in a case. These images confirm what was said about the smartphone earlier. It will receive a noticeably protruding main camera block, with 3 modules and more rounded corners of the case. The tipster didn't say if this case comes from Samsung or a third-party brand. The case has a raised portion around the cameras, suggesting that the Galaxy S26 Ultra has a camera island, just like previous reports about it had revealed. The photo also shows that it will have a display with thin bezels and a top center-mounted punch hole for the selfie camera, 4 cameras, a laser autofocus module, and a flash at the back, a plain back panel, and power and volume buttons on the right. As for the case, it is a hybrid one. The portions covering the sides and the camera island are colored in black, mostly made out of silicone, and the portion covering the back panel is transparent, which will allow people to show off the phone's true color. The case also has holes to attach a lanyard, and thick borders around the display to protect it from damage during drops. The smartphones are credited with 2 single-chip systems, Samsung's Exynos 2600 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset for the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge models, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The latest data suggests that Samsung will once again not increase the charging power. It will be 25 watts for the S26 Pro and S26 Edge models, and 45 watts for the Ultra model. There is also information that, in terms of zoom, the Galaxy S26 Ultra camera will be worse than the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera. It is reported that the new Galaxy S26 series is expected to premiere in early 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.